Hi all. So today we will understand about digital marketing or internet marketing, or you can say online marketing. All three are same. So before understanding the digital marketing, first we will understand what is marketing. So let's understand about marketing. So what is the general meaning of marketing? So marketing means if you have a product, if you have a services, or if you have a company or brand, anything if you have it, then definitely you have to tell about your brand to the people. Then only people will understand about your brand. They will get to know about your brand and they will start buying from you. If you don't do marketing, people will never get to know about your product and they will never buy from you. So marketing means how you showcase your product to the people. So if people thinks that this is good for them, then definitely they will come to your company, then they will take your services, they will take your brand. So it means you are doing a good marketing. So there are lots of ways you can do marketing. You can showcase your product to the people. So let's understand how you can showcase your product to the people. So there are ways like magazine ads. You can show your ads to the magazine. You can show your ads in a radio ads. You can show your ads in TV. You can show your ads in flyers and hoardings. These are the ways, and these are not connected to internet. So these methods you can call it traditional marketing methods. Yes, because these are older methods and still people are using it. But one disadvantage we have in this one. So what is the disadvantage we have in this one? So you can see here, generally whenever we want to show the ads, where we show the ads, wherever the more number of people are there. Like for example, where you never see the ads on highway, you never see the ads on normal roads. You will see the ads on signals. You will see the ads on malls. You will see the ads outside the theaters because lots of people are there. So generally, where we show the ads where lots of people are gathering. So here you can see the signal. Yes, generally we put the ads on signal. So you can see the example of Gillette ads here. So what is the disadvantage I was telling you about this? So for example, this is for men. Yeah, this is for men only. So lots of people will see, but on signal, everybody will come, like women's, men's, older people, everybody will come it. So this product is not directly related to women's and children's and older people. So in this situations, what they can do, they will just see it and they have to pay a lot money for this one. Even for car, uh, lots of people they cannot afford the car, but still if you are showing the ads on signal, then people will see it and they will not buy it. So to show the ads over here, you are not selling directly, but you are doing a brand awareness over here. So yeah, for this one you have to pay around 20 lakh, around 15 lakh, around 30 lakh sometimes. Maybe if you are showing the ads on TV and this product is related to men's only, but still women's also seeing this product, so it means this product is not relevant to women's and still you are showing the ads to the women. So this is kind of disadvantage we have in traditional marketing medium. Let's talk about digital marketing, how traditional marketing is different from digital marketing, what are the benefits we have in digital marketing. The thing is, in both the places we are doing the same work, we are doing marketing. That This is the only one difference, that only platform we are changing it. So we are not placing our ads on this hoardings and TV and radio. We are placing our ads on digital medium. So you can see here digital marketing. So in this also you will do marketing. It means you will show ads. So where you will show the ads, you will show the ads on social media like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and other places also. Like search ads, Google ads, you will show your ads. Then email marketing you will do. Definitely you are doing promotion through this also, like Amazon will do it. uh, Flipkart is doing the promotion. So all the companies are doing promotion through emails also. It means they are showing their products to you through the emails. So you, if you want to show your ads on mobile devices, you can show it. And you can show your ads on Google or YouTube also. So these are the digital medium platform, and all things are connected to the internet. So that's why we call it internet marketing also, because you are doing marketing on the digital platform, on the internet, or on the online platform. So you can say this online marketing, you can say this internet marketing, you can say this digital marketing. So these are the ways we can do digital marketing over here, and these are the ways where we can do traditional marketing over here. So these are the different, in both the places you are doing marketing, but the thing is, some platform is connected to internet, some place platform is not connected to internet. So the platform which is connected to internet, and there if you are doing marketing, it means you are doing digital marketing. So these are the digital medium platform. Now let's see that we will take an example that how digital marketing will be better for a business and how we can increase the business on digital marketing. So these are the platform available here. You can see Facebook, Instagram, Google, YouTube, and mobile device. So, and lots of other platform also available. You can do marketing over there also. So let's take an example over here, how digital marketing is beneficial for us. So if you have a product for females like lipstick, and if you want to sell this product only in Delhi, and in Delhi also you are selling to women, so you have to decide a platform first. For example, I want to sell this product on Instagram, but on Instagram everybody use it, like every people are using Instagram. So but the thing is, you want to show this product only women's, and women's also between the age of 15 to 35, maybe 30. So you have to tell these things to Instagram, like you want to show your ads on Delhi only, you want to show your ads for 15 to 35-year-old women's only. So definitely Instagram will understand, because the thing is, all the social media, they know about every person. That's why social media can show your ads to only particular people. So if you are telling that yes, show this particular ad to the people, only Delhi audience, so what Instagram will do, Instagram will find out Delhi audience and only women's, and under that whom age is around 15 to 35-year-old, they will only see your ads. So definitely Instagram will decide it. So whenever those women's, whenever they will open their Instagram, they can see your ads, they can see your lipstick ads. So this is very better, because in this we can do targeted ads, you can target the audience. Digital marketing is very easy, and targeted ads we can do it. And the thing is, most important thing is, you can see the reports in this one, each and every single thing, that how many women are seeing your ads, how many women are clicking on your ads, how many women are buying the product from you. So each and every single report you will get it in this one. And one another thing is, it's very low cost, you don't have to pay lakhs of rupees. If you want to pay 100 rupees, yes, you can show your ads. If you want to pay 1000 rupees, you can show your ads to many people. So this is the main advantage of digital marketing. Yes, through digital worlds you can grow your business, you can show your ads to the people through any medium. So in this we have lots of platform, lots of module we have it in digital marketing. Like social media, if you are showing your ads in social media, then we call it social media marketing. Like for example, you want to show your ads on Instagram or Facebook or LinkedIn or Twitter or Pinterest. So these platform we call it social media marketing. So in this we have tools, or we have to create ads. In this one we need to learn all these things that we call a social media marketing. Then we have search engine optimization. And this, if you create a website, then definitely you need to rank your website in Google. So how you rank your website in Google, how you show your website at the top location on Google, that we call search engine optimization. If your website is coming at the top location, like somebody will type lipstick in Delhi and then your website is coming up, it means people will click on your website and they will buy from you. If it is not coming up over here, then people will not click it. So how you show your website at the top location, that we call search engine optimization. Generally you call it SEO also. Then third thing is search engine marketing. If your website is not showing up over here, then what you will do, you will show ads. So you have to pay money to Google, and Google will start showing your ads over here. So that also we can do it. It means we are showing ads on search engine, so we call it search engine marketing. Then we have email marketing. You can design an email about your product and you can sell the email to the audience. Definitely for that you should have a list of emails, then only you can send the email to those people. And some other ways also we have it, like affiliate marketing we have it, video marketing we have it, content marketing we have it. But generally these are the four ways: social media marketing, search engine optimization, search engine marketing, and email marketing. If you understand this one, you can understand the digital marketing thing, and you can grow your business, you can understand it, and you can easily get the job from this one. So this is the digital marketing thing. Now we will understand about each topic